Today we are going to deal with the extension of time and additional payment in contracts. In the construction industry, it is common that the project takes longer than the allowed period in the contract. This is due to so many reasons. If the delay is the fault of the contractor, then a sum of money per day, subject to the maximum, is charged to the contractor. In fairness to all and to be enforceable by courts, it should be the amount the client likely to suffer for the delay. If the delay is nobody's fault, then the risk is taken by the risk is shared by the employer and the contractor. The examples of such occurrence are inclement weather, strike, riots, etc. If the delay is owing to the employer's agent, such as the architect, engineer, or the supervising officer, then subject to notice and to substantiation, the contractor is given an extension of time and associated cost. Contractual position. One of the main reasons of having an extension of time clause is to keep alive the employer's right to deduct liquidated damages. If there is no extension of time provision which deals with the delays caused by the architect, engineer, or the supervising officer or the employer, then should this type of delay occur, the liquidated damages clause will be held to be invalid. Peak Construction Liverpool Limited versus McKinney Foundation 1976 1 BLR 111. This essential already given by the employer protects its interest by ensuring that the extension of time clause is to be inserted in the construction that provides for extension to be granted in the event of delay caused by the employer or his agent, in the event of any delay outside the control of the employer for which the employer is assumed responsible. This is a requirement of an effective extension of time clause will not satisfied by the general expression such as other special circumstances of any kind, circumstances wholly beyond the control of the contractor. Such terms will not permit the employer to cause delays without prejudicing his right to deduct liquidated damages. Peak Construction Liverpool Limited versus McKinney Foundation Limited. Where the delay caused by the employer, architect, or the engineer, the most effective solution to specify all the causes of delay for which there is a power to extend the time of completion, or to have comprehensive clauses which refers to all acts, omission, and defaults of the employer, his agents or servants. Extension of time clause usually also include delays for which the contractor or subcontractor will normally be liable, comprising delays which are within the control of or are responsibility of the contractor. Example, failure to obtain goods or materials. Delays which are within the control of neither party. Example, force majeure or exceptional bad weather condition. Extension of time provision in subclause usually gives the subcontractor similar rights to extension of time as the main contractor. In addition to subcontractor will be entitled to an extension of time where delay has been caused by the act of omission of the main contractor or his agents or servants. Additional costs owing to extension. Claims for additional payment are sometimes grouped together in one clause. For example, JCT 80 clause 26 deal with loss and expenses resulting from delay due to progress of work. Usually, these type clauses contain two distinct types: loss and expenses or additional costs resulting from default by the employer, such as a late possession or access and interference by person employed directly by the employer. Loss or expenses or additional costs resulting from default on the part of the architect, engineer, or such later issue of drawings and other information. Model form MF1 provides under clause 41.2 a comprehensive list of matters which give rise to the contractor's right to claim extra payment. Contracts as ICE 5th and 6th edition do not have a comprehensive claim clause. Entitlement to additional payment occur in various clauses within the condition. All standard forms of contract include a procedure leading to the granting of extension of time. This usually includes the submission of initial notice regarding the delay, submission of backup details to support the initial claim, further details to keep up to date the information previously submitted. Some contracts stipulates a time limit within which these submissions are to be made. Legal precedent. A failure on the part of the architect or the engineer or the supervising officer to make a decision within the allocated time scale may not affect the employer's right. Trumpclad Limited versus Aerial Properties Limited 1987, 39 BLR 34. It has been held in court decision that the failure on the part of the contractor to comply with the contractual requirements as to the notice will not necessarily lose the right to an extension of time. London Borough of Merton and versus Stanley U. Leach 1985, 32 BLR 55, where the contract condition states that the service of notice is a condition precedent, then lack of notice will lose the contractor or the subcontractor his right. Example, GC Works 1 Edition 2, FCE Blue Form of Subcontract, Blemina Angular Sharp BMH versus Benderson Avendale Isangam 1978. Extension of time under Dubai Municipality contracts. Clause 44 of the Dubai Municipality conditions of contract deal with the extension of time. The grounds for extension of time include in the clause are the amount or the nature of the work or extra work or additional work. This includes variation issued under clause 51, additional work resulting from remeasurements. Instructions given in accordance with clause 12. Any cause of delay referred to in the conditions. This includes failure by the employer to issue drawings at a time reasonable at all circumstances. Clause 6.4, for which notice is required under clause 6.4, clause 6.3. Physical condition other than the climatic condition or artificial obstruction which could not have been reasonably foreseen by an experienced contractor. Clause 12. Uncovering of works on engineer's instruction which is found to comply with the contract in clause 38.2. Suspension of work under clause 40. Delay possession of site under clause 42. Exception to adverse climatic condition. Any delay, impediment or prevention by the employer. Other special circumstances which may occur other than through the default or breach of the contract by the contractor for which he is responsible. The engineer is not empowered to grant any extension of time unless the contractor has notified the engineer within 28 days of the event having first arisen, submitting the engineer detailed particulars within 28 days notice in order that may be investigated at that time. The detailed particulars must include reference to clause 14 program clearly set out basis and adjustment of the extension of time. The event has a continuing effect so that it is not practicable for the contractor to submit detailed particulars within 28 period. He must submit particulars within 28 days. Submit final particulars within 28 days of the event coming to an end. The engineer has to grant an extension of time as is fair after consultation with the employer and the contractor, and is to notify both the employer and the contractor. The engineer to grant an interim extension of time when the delay is continuing one and without undue delay. The final extension of time to be granted by the engineer after review of all the circumstances. No final review shall result in the decrease of any extension of time already determined. Technical auditor's role. The technical auditor's role in the entitlements of the contractor is to first concentrate on the conditions of contract. That is the starting point, and the same is the intention of the parties before the contract is signed. Then comes the notices, details of entitlement, etc. Then the spirit of contract, that all parties have to keep the damage to the absolute minimum, should be considered. Technical auditor should be fair and never allow a party for any unjust enrichment. And the technical auditor should be fully aware of the contractual legal precedents. Thank you.